Tiësto Z.G. Performance lineage coupled to talented Newmarket VM. This Colt Tiësto Z.G is out of the second crop of the promising 5-year-old stallion Newmarket VM, who made a winning international debut in the young horse classes under the saddle of Karls Bonhoff last summer. Dam Bailey's Z.G.Z is a half-sister to various successful show jumpers, including Paolo Adorno's international 150-160 level performer Fur Z.G and 3 140-145 level show jumpers. Grand Dam Vodka Lime Z.G has produced international performing offspring in the first and second generation. Tiësto Z.G has the same Grand Dam as several international show jumpers, as well as the promising KWPN-approved stallion Ocala Z.G.